What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl JKELLZ. Alrighty, so let's get started. What I'm cooking today, I am going to blacken chicken. I'm going to sear it with some nice shrimp. And I also have, let me show you all. I also have some spinach and cheese ravioli. This is pre-made ravioli. It's supposed to boil, but the way I'm going to cook it today, I'm going to cook it in the sauce. All right. What I have here is I have chicken breasts. These were 2 chicken breasts. I already split them in half. I smashed it with my tenderizer. I smash. I think about things that piss me off and I bring it to the chicken and I let it out. And then it's perfectly flat. Okay? That's right, Janiyah. That poor chicken. That's what my daughter said. That poor chicken. Yep. So what you said? No. Okay, so anyway, that's the chicken. I also have my shrimp. They are already shelled, deveined, and clean. And these are going to be extremely easy to make. I can't wait to show you. Alrighty, so to start, we'll go ahead and take our saran wrap off of the chicken. This is already preheating. You see that smoke coming? I'm just going to sear these, so you definitely want that to get hot. I'm sprinkling on some adobo here. You don't have to go too heavy. I have some garlic powder as well. Black pepper. Okay. Coriander. I have smoked paprika this time. Okay. Gonna be a little bit heavier on the spice here. And I have garlic powder, or I'm sorry, I have chili powder as well. Go ahead and sprinkle that on the chicken breast. And I'm gonna rub it in. Rub it in and rub it in. Okay. Go ahead and flip it over. And we're going to do it to the other side the exact same way. I have a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I pour that in my skillet, only enough to coat the pan. Okay. Alrighty, so it's nice and hot. So you know it's going to sear the chicken well for us. So we'll go ahead, take our chicken breast and lay it in the skillet. I'm only going to do 2 pieces at a time. I'm going to use my tongs to press it down. I want it to get a nice color on it, a nice sear. Go ahead and press it down a little bit. Go ahead and turn it over. Ooh, look at that. Go ahead and turn this side over as well. Yes, that's exactly what we want. Go ahead and press that in as well so you can get some nice color on that chicken breast. Go ahead and pour a little bit more oil in there. And with chicken breast, you want to keep it oiled down. You want to keep it nice and moist. So we'll go ahead and add more because we already pressed it down, so we know it's going to have that color. But we do want to make sure it's nice and juicy for us. So we're going to pour a little bit more of that olive oil on. The chicken is basically done. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of butter in here. This is unsalted butter, half a tablespoon of some garlic. Go ahead and I'm going to just mix it around a little bit. This beautiful piece of seared chicken. Now we're just going to go ahead and sit this on our cutting board here. Beautiful. And we'll go ahead and sear the next pieces of chicken. What I am going to do, I'm sort of going to push this over on the side because we want that nice sear at first on the chicken. Or I don't want too much liquid in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and scoot it to the outside. And we can go ahead and place our second round of chicken down. You want that nice sear at first, don't forget. Shrimp is clean, deveined. Alrighty, has the shell off. I peeled it. I kept the tail on. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to pour a little bit of our olive oil. Alrighty. So with the shrimp, we're going to go ahead and lay our shrimp down. All right, so the shrimp are going to be nice and easy. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt. And I'm going to use a little bit of pepper. That's it for the shrimp. We're going to keep it nice and simple with the seasoning. So go ahead and let it sear nicely on both sides. Again, only salt and pepper with the shrimp. And of course, the extra virgin olive oil I use to baste the skillet. So the shrimp are already halfway cooked. We're gonna go ahead and flip these babies. Look at that. Okay. Go ahead and flip them. Let that olive oil hit that other side nice. Just literally, I'll just use the little handle so you can help that oil get around the whole skillet again. So go ahead and add a little bit more salt for the other side. And add a little bit of pepper as well. Okay. Go ahead and press them down now that they're basically done. All right, we'll go ahead and flip it over one more time just to press it. These shrimp are done. What you do not want is overcooked shrimp. So go ahead and take them out. I just want a nice, I sort of want these to look nice and seared, the shrimp and the chicken. So I just want to go in and press a little bit more to get that nice get the nice cast iron color. And I'm gonna go ahead and take these babies out. When it's time to take the shrimp out, I love my cutting boards. This is where I love to rest my meat. I'm gonna just go ahead and place it right next to the chicken. The chicken is all the way cooked. The shrimp is all the way cooked. I will still separate it, but this is not cross-contamination. Just let the ones know that like to look for that. Alrighty, look at that nice juice in the meat. Beautiful, okay? We'll go ahead and place the last of our shrimp in this skillet and let these go ahead and sear as well. Look at that. Ooh, beauty, baby. Beauty, baby. Beauty, baby. Okay. This is just a nice, simple recipe. Literally, some nice shrimp, salt, pepper, squeeze a lemon. That's it. On your cast iron skillet so you can get that nice color on it. All right? I'm going to go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese in here. You want to add some. Get it mixed in well. And then you can go ahead and add the rest. Let me use a spoon to assist us. Okay. We'll go ahead and stir. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a nice handful of some sun-dried tomatoes. Man down there. Go ahead and let that get in that sauce. I have my tortellini pasta. Boiled these babies for 4 minutes and drained them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add them to our Alfredo. Just sort of break it up a little bit. And let it just sit in that sauce and coat nice for us. Don't really want to stir. I'm sort of flipping it with my wrist. I'm not necessarily stirring it in the sauce because I do not want to break up our beautiful tortellini. I have some fresh spinach. I'm not going to put much, but I am going to sort of break the spinach in half as I add it. You can make the tortellini from scratch. This was store-bought. There's plenty different tortellini types. You can have some with chicken in it. I just used this one because I wanted to make my own chicken. But you can definitely just eat the tortellini just as tortellini with Alfredo. And this is a meal literally on its own. But I'm going to use the tortellini in this dish as a side. But this is literally its own meal right here. Alright, so our dinner is done. We have our fresh spinach and cheese tortellini stuffed pasta with a nice side of a fresh homemade Alfredo sauce, sun-dried tomatoes, and some fresh spinach inside. And then we're going to top it with our blackened chicken shrimp. All right, again, this meal will be complete in 15-20 minutes. Nice meal for the whole family, one pot meal, and that's it. Thank you again for watching. This is JKELLZ signing out.